Australia is stepping into the future of urban mobility with the announcement of its first electric air taxi vertiport, revealed by Skyports. This revolutionary infrastructure marks a key step toward integrating urban air mobility UAM into everyday life. Skyports, an Australian-based vertiport company, has introduced a modular vertiport design developed in collaboration with Contreras Earl Architecture, aiming to make aerial commuting accessible, flexible, and scalable on a global scale. The design is notable for its modular construction. Each vertiport can be broken down into components and shipped in containers, allowing it to be assembled anywhere in the world, from dense urban environments to remote outposts. This flexibility enables rapid deployment without the need for massive infrastructure investments or permanent footprints, making the concept extremely versatile and future-proof. This announcement came shortly after Skyports revealed plans to establish the first national network of air taxi terminals in Melbourne, positioning the city as a potential hub for electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. These vertiports will serve as terminals for electric air taxis, which promise to drastically cut down travel time across congested cities, reduce emissions, and open new dimensions of accessibility in transportation. Skyports is also working with global firms like Arup and 270 Aviation to ensure the vertiports meet safety, regulatory, and urban planning requirements. Each site is designed with site-specific adaptations, meaning every vertiport will uniquely fit into its surrounding landscape, architecture, and logistical context, while maintaining the core functionality and iconic design identity. In an even broader move, Skyports has launched a global database to assess, categorize, and accept registrations for potential vertiport locations. This database will help identify optimal spots for future UAM hubs worldwide, encouraging property owners across the globe to partner with Skyports and join the new era of air mobility. This was further emphasized during the Global Air Taxi Congress in Istanbul, where Skyports officially opened the registration process for potential vertiport partners. Ultimately, the unveiling of Australia's first vertiport is more than just a local achievement. It's a global milestone. Skyports' approach represents a shift from conceptual discussions to practical implementation, laying the groundwork for a new transportation ecosystem. With modularity, international scalability, and a strong emphasis on urban integration, these vertiports have the potential to transform how people think about commuting, tourism, and logistics, not just in Melbourne or Australia, but around the world. Here's an extended and rephrased script for the Micro B2 Spirit Twin 30mm EDF, expanded to over 200 words and suitable for a voiceover of more than 1 minute. Cutting through the sky with the elegance of a ghost on a classified mission, the Micro B2 Spirit Twin 30mm EDF jet brings the legendary stealth bomber experience to the palm of your hand. Inspired by the iconic B2 Spirit, this compact RC jet captures the essence of its full-size namesake, with an intimidating silhouette and a sleek, low-profile flying wing design that turns heads before it even leaves the ground. Equipped with twin 30mm electric ducted fans, this miniature powerhouse generates an impressive amount of thrust, delivering speed, agility, and performance that defy its small scale. Whether you're performing tight turns, crisp rolls, or high-speed passes, the Micro B2 responds with smooth control and stable flight, especially in calm conditions. Its lightweight foam build keeps it nimble and crash-resistant, while the matte black finish evokes the look of a jet straight out of a top-secret military hangar. A simple hand toss is all it takes to launch, making it beginner-friendly without sacrificing the thrill that seasoned flyers seek. Retailing around $150, the Micro B2 Spirit offers an affordable, adrenaline-packed way to experience stealth-inspired aviation in a compact, ready-to-fly form. Small in size, big on impact.
UDX Airwolf is an innovative two-seat eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing, hoverbike that stands out for its unique approach to solving the energy and inefficiency challenges common in drone-like aircraft. Designed with advanced electric ducted fans, Airwolf offers a futuristic and practical solution to urban air mobility, focusing on improving flight duration, speed, and control without compromising on energy use. One of the core issues in current drone and hovercraft technology is the high energy demand associated with vertical takeoff and sustained flight. Most existing solutions, even those using advanced batteries, struggle with efficiency. Airwolf addresses this by incorporating fixed wings into its design, which significantly improves aerodynamic performance and reduces the overall energy required during forward flight. What sets Airwolf apart is its ability to deliver substantial upward thrust while maintaining a lightweight and compact structure. This allows it to achieve longer flight times and higher operational efficiency. The aircraft boasts a maximum speed of around 120 kilometers per hour, offering an effective balance between speed and power usage. A key technological feature of the Airwolf is its tilting motor system, which enables vectoring of airflow. This not only enhances the precision of maneuverability during flight, but also minimizes energy consumption by optimizing the direction and force of thrust. In essence, it combines agility with efficiency, making it a standout in the growing field of personal aerial transport. UDX Airwolf is more than just a hoverbike. It's a leap forward in the future of aviation, where high-performance, energy-efficient, and compact aircraft could become an everyday mode of personal and urban travel.
The EHang 216 Hans is a groundbreaking step toward the future of urban air mobility. It's not just a futuristic concept, it's the world's first commercially available autonomous aerial vehicle, AAV, designed to operate as a fully autonomous flying taxi without the need for a human pilot on board. Powered entirely by electric motors, the EHang 216 features 16 rotors mounted on 8 arms, providing vertical takeoff and landing capabilities similar to a drone. This design allows it to lift off and land in tight urban spaces like rooftops or small landing pads, making it ideal for congested cities. It's capable of carrying 2 passengers at a time and can fly short distances, typically up to 35 kilometers, about 22 miles, on a single charge, with a top speed around 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour. What truly sets the EHang 216 apart is its autonomous navigation system. Equipped with a suite of advanced sensors, GPS, and real-time communication technology, it can avoid obstacles, follow preset flight paths, and make safe landings, all without a pilot. Passengers simply select their destination, sit back, and enjoy a smooth, hands-free flight. This flying taxi isn't just a sci-fi dream. It's already undergoing trial flights in several countries, including China, UAE, and parts of Europe. EHang is working closely with regulators to meet air safety standards, which is crucial for the widespread adoption of this technology. Aside from passenger transport, the EHang 216 also has potential for medical emergencies, logistics, tourism, and disaster response, offering a flexible and sustainable solution for multiple urban challenges. It's quiet, clean, and efficient, aligning with the growing demand for greener transportation alternatives. In short, the EHang 216 offers a compelling vision of the near future, where your next taxi ride might lift you straight into the air, bypass traffic entirely, and land you safely on a rooftop just minutes away. The Emotion aircraft is a breathtaking fusion of aviation and sustainability, redefining what it means to travel by air and water. Picture a sleek, modern seaplane that not only delivers the thrill of flight, but also embraces a greener, cleaner future. This innovative aircraft is powered by an electric motor, making it an eco-conscious alternative to traditional planes that rely on fossil fuels. What sets the Emotion aircraft apart isn't just its ability to take off and land on both land and water, it's the freedom it offers. Imagine lifting off from a tranquil harbor, gliding over coastal cliffs, turquoise waters, and untouched landscapes, then gently landing on a remote lake or a hidden island. Whether you're setting out for an island-hopping adventure, scouting new travel destinations, or simply exploring the natural beauty of the world from above, this aircraft turns every journey into a unique and unforgettable experience. Beyond its versatility and aesthetics, the Emotion aircraft represents a significant step forward in the future of aviation. Its electric propulsion system drastically reduces noise and emissions, making it not only better for the environment, but also less disruptive to local ecosystems and communities. For adventurers, environmentalists, and modern explorers alike, it offers a new way to connect with nature, without leaving a heavy footprint behind. In a world where sustainability and innovation are more important than ever, the Emotion aircraft doesn't just fly, it inspires. It symbolizes a shift toward cleaner skies, quieter journeys, and a future where air travel is as respectful to the planet as it is thrilling for the soul. The Sky Surfer aircraft is an exciting innovation that redefines the experience of personal flight. It builds on the traditional thrill of paragliding but adds a powerful twist, a compact motorized system that allows pilots to soar independently without relying on wind or elevation. This aircraft gives you the freedom to take off, maneuver, and land with remarkable control, transforming casual aviation into a truly immersive adventure. Picture yourself lifting off from a grassy field or a quiet hillside with a smooth engine-assisted launch. As you ascend into the open sky, the world below starts to shrink, and you glide effortlessly through the air, guided by intuitive controls. The Sky Surfer aircraft combines the raw, exposed feeling of paragliding with the precision and convenience of powered flight, making it accessible to both experienced pilots and adventurous beginners. What truly sets this flying machine apart is the feeling it delivers, a sense of weightless freedom and personal connection to the sky that's hard to replicate in any other aircraft. It offers low-altitude, slow-paced flight, perfect for taking in breathtaking views, exploring remote areas, or just experiencing the joy of floating silently above the earth. It's a tool for recreational exploration, but also a potential solution for sustainable solo travel in areas with minimal infrastructure. Lightweight, easy to transport, and more affordable than helicopters or ultralight planes, the Sky Surfer aircraft represents a new frontier in personal aviation, one where nearly anyone can experience flight, not as a passenger, but as a pilot. As with many of today's innovations, it's not just about convenience or performance. It's about creating new experiences and making dreams like flying freely through the skies a reality. In the ever-evolving world of futuristic vehicles and airborne tech, the Sky Surfer stands out not for its complexity, but for its simplicity and the sheer joy it brings. It's a reminder that sometimes the future is about bringing us closer to our most basic desires. In this case, the timeless dream of flight, now made possible with a motor, a wing, and an open sky. DJI Mini 4 leak has drone enthusiasts buzzing with anticipation. While DJI hasn't officially launched it yet, leaks and insider reports suggest the Mini 4 is going to raise the bar for ultra-portable drones. If you're someone who loves capturing cinematic aerial shots without lugging around heavy gear, this tiny yet mighty machine might just be what you're waiting for. Building on the success of the Mini 3 series, the Mini 4 is expected to feature significant upgrades in both camera capabilities and flight performance. Rumors point to a larger sensor for improved low-light shooting, enhanced 4K video stabilization, and possibly even vertical shooting modes. Perfect for content creators who focus on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. All of this in a drone that likely still weighs under 250 grams, keeping it travel and regulation friendly in most countries. Portability remains a key highlight. Leaked images and early reports hint at a foldable design, making it ideal for spontaneous adventures, whether you're hiking, road tripping, or traveling abroad. And thanks to improvements in obstacle detection and AI-assisted flight paths, the Mini 4 could offer more advanced autonomous features, allowing even beginners to get professional-looking shots effortlessly. Battery life is also expected to get a boost, with longer flight times that could extend past 40 minutes per charge, giving users more flexibility and fewer interruptions while filming. In short, the DJI Mini 4 leak suggests we're about to get a compact, smart, and powerful drone that fits in your palm, but flies like a pro. Keep an eye out. This one could redefine aerial content creation for hobbyists and professionals alike.
Here is a fully extended voiceover script for the UDX Airwolf. crafted to exceed 200 words and stretch comfortably past 1 minute of narration time. Adventure enthusiasts, get ready to redefine your idea of exploration with the UDX Airwolf, an all-terrain electric scooter engineered for thrill seekers who refuse to be limited by the road. Whether you're navigating rocky mountain paths, winding forest trails, sandy beachfronts, or bustling city streets, the Airwolf is designed to go where ordinary scooters simply can't. What makes the Airwolf truly stand out is its rugged construction and performance-focused engineering. It features a tough, reinforced frame that's built to absorb shocks and impacts, paired with high-performance suspension that keeps your ride stable even over unpredictable terrain. The chunky, knobby tires provide exceptional traction on everything from gravel to grass, mud to pavement. Under the hood, or rather beneath your feet, the Airwolf is powered by a high-torque electric motor that delivers explosive acceleration and reliable climbing ability. Hills become challenges to conquer, not obstacles to avoid. Riders can expect a long battery life, intuitive throttle control, and smooth braking, offering both safety and excitement in one package. Beyond performance, the design is bold and aggressive, a visual reflection of the scooter's no-compromise spirit. The UDX Airwolf isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a call to adventure. It's for those who see a dirt path and don't slow down, they speed up. It's for urban explorers and off-road warriors alike. If you've been waiting for an electric ride that's just as fearless as you are, the Airwolf might be your perfect match.
By the year 2032, the landscape of urban mobility had undergone a dramatic transformation with the arrival of the Volonaut Airbike, a revolutionary single-rider eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing craft. This futuristic vehicle redefines personal transport by offering a flying experience that merges advanced aerospace engineering with next-generation AI technology. Designed by a team of visionary ex-aerospace professionals, the Volonaut Airbike was crafted to glide seamlessly over urban congestion, eliminating the need to endure traffic-clogged streets and instead allowing its rider to soar effortlessly above rooftops and highways. Its propulsion system is driven by dual-depth rotors and stabilized by an intelligent AI-assisted flight system, giving the sensation of flying on air while maintaining control, precision, and safety even at high speeds. Capable of reaching cruising speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour, the Airbike is powered by a solid-state battery pack that offers 25 minutes of uninterrupted flight on a single charge. For longer trips or missions, the vehicle is designed with swappable energy cores, providing added flexibility and convenience for its users. Pilots have the option of fully autonomous or manual control, depending on preference or experience level. The integrated navigation and environmental awareness systems use real-time mapping and onboard sensors to ensure a smooth and safe flight in dynamic urban environments. Even though the Volonaut Airbike is still in the pre-commercial prototype phase, it's already generating significant excitement in both the tech and mobility sectors. Its futuristic appeal, combined with serious engineering and performance potential, has positioned it as a serious contender in the race toward personal aerial mobility. The expected retail price is projected to be around $290,000, reflecting its premium technology and niche exclusivity. In many ways, the Volonaut Airbike isn't just a mode of transport. It's a glimpse into the airborne cities of tomorrow, where commuting isn't limited to roads and rails, but extends into the sky itself.